Hello everyone, this is Jinju at kimchimari.com. Today I want to show you how to make Korean dried radish strips called Mumalleangi. So first, if the radish is very clean, it's best not to peel it, but as you can see this one, there's some blemishes. It's not as fresh as it could be, so I'm just peeling away some of the more browner parts. Then you're going to cut it first into 2 to 3 inch wide discs like that. And then you're going to turn it over onto the flat side and then cut about 1/2 inch thick slices from it first. And then you're going to cut them into very thick baton sticks or French fries basically. And so you can see that I'm cutting it and see how it's a square on the short end. And the reason why we're cutting it so thick is because, remember, if you dry it, the volume is going to reduce a whole lot, probably less than even 1/3 of its original size. So there we go. We're going to cut a whole radish, and one radish will make about 1 cup dried. And if you have a Korean weaved basket like this one, we call it chaeban, that works best. You can lay it out and dry it in sun for 4 days for me, because California is really dry and it's summer now. And you can see how it looks on day 2. It's already a little shriveled. And then day 3, it's a big transformation. It's almost done. I was so surprised. Must have been a hot day. So now you can see it was pretty full when I first put fresh ones, but now it's almost there. And then this is the final day 4. It's all done. And you can see it feels quite hard. You can still squish it a little bit, but you can clearly tell that you can't dry it anymore. And here's what you make with it. Mumallaengi Muchim. It's wonderful. Recipe coming soon. Stay tuned.